Hey guys, we're going to go back to the strategy of using base 10 blocks. I have the equation 41 minus 15 equals what? So the first thing that I want to do is draw 41 using quick base 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Now I want to subtract 15 from this. So the first thing, you always want to start with your ones. I see I need to subtract or cross out 5 ones. When I look down here, I don't have 5 ones to subtract. So what you need to do is decompose or break apart a stick of 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's just like taking a hammer to the stick of 10 because there were 10 ones that made this, breaking it apart into 10 ones. I have not subtracted the 5 ones yet, so I need to do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that part's done. Now I need to go to my tens. I need to cross out one stick of 10. This does not count. This was not subtracted. This was broken apart here. So I need to cross out another stick of 10 to represent the subtracting of one. Now I count what's left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 41 minus 15 equals 26.